In this lesson, I will show you how to create a website using HTML and CSS. The website we are going to build is related to class booking system. Here you can see an example of the website we will be creating. This is an image of the type of website we will design. Now, how can we create a website like this? Let's dive into the coding process and find out. Let's get started. On my desktop, I have created a folder named class. Inside this folder, there is another folder named images, which contains various images including the logo. Next, I will open VS Code. Once it's open, I will click on the file menu and select the option open folder. From there, I will navigate to my desktop and choose the class folder that I have created earlier. Then I will click select folder to open it in VS Code. After opening the folder, I will create two files. I will click on the new file option and name the file index.html. Then I will click again to create another file named style.css. Now, as you can see, we have two files in our folder index.html and style.css. Now, inside the index.html, I will press Shift plus 1 from keyboard, which will display an exclamation mark. After typing the exclamation mark, I will press enter and an HTML template will automatically appears in the file. At the top, you can see the title tag. This is where we can set the title of our website. Since I'm creating a class booking system, I will write class booking system as a title at here. Below that, you will see the body tag. The body tag is where we will write the entire code of our website. To creating the website, I will begin by adding a header inside the body tag. In this section, we will have two headers, one in the background and one in the foreground. So inside the body tag, I will create two header tag. Each header will have opening and closing tag. After creating these two headers, I will focus on the second header where I will add a logo. To create a logo, we can easily design one using the Canva website. After creating the logo, we will add it to our website. Now I will create a div element and assign a class to it for the logo. Inside the div, I will create a link using anchor tag with href is equals to hash symbol as a placeholder. Next, I will use the image tag to display the logo. I will set the source attribute to the file path of the logo image and alt attribute to a descriptive text such as logo. The alt attribute ensures that if the logo doesn't display, the alternative text will appear instead. Now I will set the path of the logo. Here is the images folder and 2.png is the file. Finally, I will click on this run button and you will see logo will be displayed on the page. Next, after the div, I will create a nav tag with a class named nav menu. Inside the nav tag, I will add an unordered list. Within the list, I will create multiple list items, each containing a link. The first link will have href is equals to hash and display the text home. After creating the first link, I will copy the link and paste it four times. Now I will replace the text home with about, subject, classes, contact us to create other links. When we click on the school live server, you will see the navigation menu displaying home, about, subject, classes and contact us as link. Now I want to properly align my navigation bar. To do this, I will open my style.css file. Inside this file, I will use a universal selector and set the margin 0 and padding also 0. We use margin 0 and padding 0 to remove the default margins and paddings applied by browser to all HTML elements. Basically, this helps us to create a consistent and clean layout. Now, I want to apply font size, so I will write at the rate font size, curly braces font family, dongle light. I will write dongle slash dongle dot light dot double tf. Now I will copy this font face and paste again. After pasting, I will replace this dongle light with dongle regular and again this dongle light with dongle regular. In the same way, I will replace this dongle light, dongle bold and dongle bold. Now I want to create a flexible and responsive layout, so I will use display flex property on header. So I will write dot header display flex. The image size is currently too large, so I will set the logo image class to a max with 20% property to make it smaller. Now I will click on this go live server and you will see that image size is smaller. Now to display my navigation bar in a line, I will write nav menu, an order list, curly braces, display flags. To remove dots, I will use the property list style none. First, I will write dot nav menu on order list and then I will add curly braces and inside them I will write list style none. After that, when we reload the page, the dot will be removed. Now I want to create a space between words, so I will use a property margin right with 20 pixels. Now I will click on this collab server and you will see that space between these words are created. Now I want to remove the line from the bottom of the text, so I will use the text decoration property. Additionally, I will apply font style, font size, and color property to it. To do this, I will write nav menu A and then curly braces text decoration none, font family toggle bold, font size I will set 1.6 rem. Now I will set the text color brown. Now you can see the text color is brown. If we want to change the color, then we can also change the color by clicking at here. Now I will click on this run button and you will see the text color is black. Now I will apply some types of formatting on header. So I will set padding 20 pixels and this is for space, and I will set now background color. We can set any background color. I want to change this background color with white color, so I will choose the white color and then you can see now the color is light gray shade. And after that I will set another property which is box shadow. So box shadow I will set 0, 0, 10 pixels and then RGBA. RGBA means red, green, blue and opacity. So I will set R means red value 0, green value 0, and also blue value 0, and opacity 0.1. This box shadow will create a box around the header. You can see a box is created at here. If I change the box shadow to 0.2, the box shadow will become more prominent. I'm going to apply another property called align item center. It is used to center my text within the box. Now you can see that the header is centered. Now I want to change the color of my text, home, about, subject, classes and contact. When I hover my cursor over it, to achieve this I will use the hover property. First I will write nav menu a colon hover and then curly braces. Now I will set the color of any desired color. After that, I will click on this go live server and you will see that text color changed when I hover my cursor over it. If I change the color to green and then click on this go live server, you will see that when I hover my cursor, the text color will change to green. Now our header is created. The next step is to add an image to the website. We call this section hero section. Let's create the hero section by first adding an image. I will start by adding main tag. Inside this main tag, I will create a section tag with class hero. Within this section, I will add a div with class hero image. Inside this, I will place an image tag setting the source is equals to and alternative text alt is equals to hero image. Now I will type inside the double quotation mark is slash I and the image option will be displayed. I will click on it. After that, I will type slash select the image that I want to display. Then I will click go live and you will see the image displayed on the page. Now, I also want to add some text to my image. To do this, I will create a div and assign it to a class hero content. Inside the div, I will add an h1 tag with the text welcome to our website. Then I will create p tag and I won't I won't display some text in the paragraph. So I will write the content inside the p tag. Book your classes now for personalized and flexible learning tailored to your needs. Now I will create a link button. To do this, I will use an A tag. So I will write an A tag with href is equals to hash. Then I will set a class for it called hero button. Inside the anchor tag, I will add the text book now. Now I will click on the go live. As you can see, the image and text are not displayed correctly. So at first I will adjust the image by applying different properties to it. So I will use the hero class taking it from here, which is the hero class. So I will write dot hero curly braces and I will set position relative, height 600 pixels and overflow hidden. Now I will design my hero image. To do this, I will write the CSS for hero image class. So dot hero image img curly braces I will set position absolute, top 0, left 0, width 100% and height is also 100% and I will set the object fit cover. We can use object fit cover to make an image fully cover its container without stretching. Now I will click on this Go Live server and you can see the image looks fine. But the text is not displayed over the image. To display the text on the image, I will apply different properties to the image. So I will write dot hero content curly braces position absolute, top 50%, left 50%, transfer minus 50% and minus 50% to display the text into the center. Text align center and I will also set the color white color. Now you can see the text color is white and the text is also displayed in the center of the image. Now I will set the font family and size for the heading and paragraph. First I will write the class hero content with the h1 tag. Then I will set the font family to dongle bold and the font size to 4 rem. For the paragraph, I will write the class hero content with the p tag followed by curly braces and set the font family to toggle regular and font size to rem. Now you can see the font size is too big, so I will change this font size and I will set 1.4 rem. And now you can see the font size is okay. After that, I want to set the button, so I will write hero button and then curly braces display inline block. I will set the text decoration none and color white hash triple F and then I will set the background color brown and then padding I will set 12 pixels and 30 pixels. Now I will set the border radius 50 pixels and for a circular button I will set the font family dongle light and I will set the font size 1.6 rem. Okay, now the button is created. I want to change its background color. When I place my cursor over the button, the background color should change. To do this, I will use the property hero button and colon hover followed by curly braces where I will define background color which is green. Now the color is green and you can see when I place my cursor on the book now button, its color is displayed green.